On.
Hi guys, I'm just warming up guys. I just went outside to bring my stuff. And you know what guys, it's 38 degrees. I wear this one first and then my husband said, is it warm enough for you yet? When I come back, I said, no, it's not warm enough. So I got me another one guys, see? I'm loaded. And I have a sweater too. I have a sweater underneath, see? And I have a t-shirt. Then I have a leggings in the bottom of this white pants guys, because Florida is cold. It's not sunshine state. So here I am guys. I'm trying to warm up myself. Okay? Before I go to work, my videographer is my husband. This is my warm up this morning guys. It's cold outside guys. 38 degrees in Florida. In Jacksonville. So now I'm wearing my first time shoes guys. I have so many. I have 4 brand new shoes. Now I finally wear it. See? I'm wearing my Skechers today. And it looks so comfortable. Yeah,